be scared, it's just Shark.
What's up, guys? It's Mark, Shark, however you know me. I just want to make this video to kind of give you a good starting point at where to begin when you're ready to hop into the NFT space as a creative. No matter what you create, there's a lot of room here for all types of people to find their place and to find their community and to build cool projects here. So first of all, I'm not an expert and this is not financial advice. I've only been interested in NFT for less than a year and I've only been minting my own NFTs since May. I don't know everything. What I say is not the only way to learn these concepts, so please keep that in mind when listening to my videos. Now that we have that out of the way, NFTs are digital assets and are also stores of value. There's lots of potential to earn great additional income here as an artist, which also means you can take great losses as a collector should you invest in a piece of art you think will increase in value but actually decreases in value and netting you a loss. You need to do your own research before truly diving into this space. I put in over 100 hours of reading, listening to podcasts, clubhouse rooms, and Twitter spaces, and much more before I ever even minted my first NFT. You know, when I listened to Gary Vee's podcast, he recommends 50 hours of research. I felt I needed 100 hours. Do with that information as you will. All right, so step one is finding the right blockchain and marketplace for you. There are a lot of marketplaces built on a lot of blockchains that you can put and sell your NFTs on, and also buy and collect NFTs on. You're gonna wanna do your research and learn about them. I won't name drop them here. I might have some of them on the screen popping up right now, but you really need to dive into the blockchains and their respective marketplaces and vice versa. One of the things to consider when picking a marketplace is the concept of gas. Gas is the fee required to successfully conduct a transaction on the blockchain. This fee goes towards the computing power needed to verify the transactions and keep the network running. This gas fee is not collected by the marketplace you choose to mint your art on. You'll need to have some crypto in your wallet so that you can pay these gas fees as they happen, whether it be placing bids, finishing off an auction, or moving around NFTs between wallets or between peers. Gas can get very expensive when a network is congested. On most blockchains, two things determine this gas price: how quickly you want the transaction to go through, and how busy the network is at the time of your transaction. If the gas price is too high, then you might want to wait for a better time of the day to mint your art. For me, I tend to mint my art in the early hours of the AM. I figure by then most users are asleep and it's going to be cheaper for me to get a transaction through and faster. But be careful. When you choose a cheaper gas price, you aren't as prioritized for having your transaction completed in time to fill in the next block. This lack of priority can lead to your gas failing, and when that happens, you lose your crypto. There's no way of getting that back if the transaction fails. So in my opinion, pay the gas fee that's recommended or something close to it, just so you can guarantee your transaction goes through and your work of art makes it onto the blockchain. I personally mint all of my art on the Lightmint marketplace, which is built on the Stellar blockchain. The concept of gas I just spoke about is pretty non-existent there. Sometimes it can cost me $1.08 USD just to mint one piece of art. And just to give you some perspective, on the Ethereum blockchain, which is right now probably the most popular for NFT art, one transaction can run you upwards of $100 at a busy time, sometimes even more than $200 for gas. It can get crazy when the Ethereum blockchain is busy, so keep that in mind when deciding. Ultimately, you have to weigh this in your mind. Do you want to go with a really popular marketplace that is already established in the scene, that's already built on Ethereum like some of the majors? And if you do, you're going to be stuck with really expensive gas fees. But if you want to go with maybe a less popular blockchain and try to be a big fish in a smaller pond, then you'll have the benefit of smaller gas fees. You might just not have the bigger community or the reach that you might get on being one of the major platforms that you find on Ethereum. So weigh this option for yourself. So now that you've picked your marketplace of choice and you have a basic understanding of the gas concept, now you can make your non-custodial wallet that pairs with your marketplace and get started. This is what you will use to log into the marketplace, pay to mint, buy art, and even store it. Certain marketplaces pair with certain wallet apps or wallet Chrome extensions, so even though you might already have your own crypto wallet, you might need to make a new one that matches up with the specific marketplace you're going to be doing NFT stuff on. NFT is still very new, so marketplaces are constantly updating which wallets they accept. Keep an eye out for those updates in the space. Once you've found the wallet you've made and you funded it with the minimum amount of crypto suggested, you only have one more thing to do before you start minting. When you make your wallet, you're going to set your password, but you're also going to be given a 12-word catchphrase that is your only way back into your wallet should you ever forget your login. This is the single most important part of this video, and probably the single most important part about your entrance into the NFT space. You need to write this 12-word catchphrase down and store it in multiple places. I have heard nightmare stories, and you've probably read them too, of people who forgot their login, forgot their 12-word catchphrase, and were locked out from millions of dollars in crypto, whatever the case may be. And I personally have seen friends of mine try to enter the NFT space, lose that 12-word catchphrase, and now they're locked out of claiming even just a few $100 that they earned with their art. So definitely back up that 12-word catchphrase in multiple places. Redundancy. Don't lose it. Don't forget it. You need it to get back in. That is your golden ticket back into your hard-earned crypto. You found your marketplace. You understand gas. You've made your non-custodial wallet. You've backed up your catchphrase so you never get locked out of it. Now you are ready to mint your NFTs. Now, I don't know what platform you've decided on, so I can't exactly tell you how to go about minting the NFT on that platform, what those little windows look like, but off of this video, you should be able to go on YouTube, find the right content creator that's made the videos for your marketplace of choice, and you should be able to get through that minting process without any problems. But before I go, think of cool ways to promote your NFT art to your friends, your family, and fans, and don't be too stressed out over the sales. I've sold an NFT the same night I minted it, some the next week, and some still haven't even sold yet. Be patient in this space. I know a lot of people who've tried to enter it and didn't find success on their first mint. Don't give up. Keep working on your art. Find cool ways to utilize this new medium and just have fun. Within the NFT community, I always say that we're in the caveman stages of this crypto art stuff. We are making mistakes and learning new things as we go, and the space is evolving every day. If this video helped you, drop me a comment, hit me with a like, share it with a friend, DM me, whatever you gotta do. I hope this video gave you some sort of clarity on the NFT subject. And if you liked it, let me know if I should do more, because there's more stuff we can talk about. This space goes really deep, and we can go down the rabbit hole together if you want. But let me know in a comment if you want me to go over more. Till then, have fun, make some cool art, and send me whatever you guys make. Peace.